So the question says, I was invited. I have invited 9 people in a party. They all shake hands with me when they arrive, and each pair shakes hands with when I introduce them. You need to find how many handshakes are there. So there are 9 guests, and I myself 10 people in the party, and basically it says that everyone is shaking hand with everyone else. In how many different ways can you have? How many different handshakes can you have? Okay. Now the same question is generalized. You need to find how many handshakes would be there if I have invited n minus one people. If there are n minus one guests and I included with n people in all, how many different ways can you have handshake between these n people? Okay, so let's solve it generically. The number of people in the party is equal to myself, host, and n minus one guest. Okay, so in all there are n people, and let's say that these n people are all standing in a circle, and each one is going to get a handshake from other. Okay, now if I look at it from this person's perspective, yeah, this person will be having a handshake with all the remaining n minus one people. So this person will be having how many? Let's call them A. He'll be having n minus one handshakes. Yeah, n minus one handshakes. Now, if we so every other, no, not just A, but this B, C, D, every single integer will have n minus 1 handshakes. Okay, so in all, the number of handshakes is going to be n people, each having n minus 1 handshakes. So in all, it will be n into n minus 1 handshakes. Yeah, but there is a problem with this n into n minus 1. So when we look at this particular pair, from A, you'll be having n minus 1 handshake. One of them is with the person B. And when you come to B, B will also be having n minus 1 handshake. One of them will be with the person A. But the handshake taking place between A and B, this particular green bond is counted twice. One from the A's perspective and another time from the B's perspective. So just like that, every single green line is counted twice. So every single handshake in n into n minus 1 is counted twice. So the total number of handshakes should be half of n into n minus 1, which gives you n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Is it okay, everyone? So if there are n people in the party, the number of handshakes is going to be n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Divided by 2 because each handshake is counted twice. Now if this is the case, then the first one is easy. You have got 10 people. Yeah, so n can be replaced by 10. So 10 into 9 divided by 2 will give you 5 into 9. There are 45 different handshakes between the 10 people in the party.